Hey aspirant, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the answer key of mock test 2, and this mock test is on UPSC, EPFO, EO and AO examination. Those who are preparing for UPSC, EPFO, EO and AO examination, this mock test for those. First go to our website and attend the mock test there. Then watch this video to know the answer keys. Let's start the first question. Which article of the Indian Constitution give freedom to form a trade union? Here answer key is B. Article 19 sub-article AC gives freedom to form trade unions. For question number 1, we have the answer key B. B is the correct one here. Question number 2, as per the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act, which of the following act is not termed as sexual harassment? A demand for or a request for sexual favor, it is considered as sexual harassment. B. Sexually colored remark, it is also considered sexual harassment. C. Bad physical contact, also considered as sexual harassment. But D is not considered as sexual harassment. For question number 2, we have the answer key D. Meeting in the cabin of the office is not termed as sexual harassment. For question number 2, we have the answer key D. D is the correct one here. Question number 3, which of the following statement is correct about Maternity Benefit Act 1961? According to Maternity Benefit Act 1961, which among the following statements are correct? So let's discuss each statement. It is applicable in just government office. It will be not true because Maternity Benefit Act is also applicable to private offices. Statement second, it is applicable in only those offices which has more than 10 employees. It is a right statement. Statement number 3, this act entitled pregnant women employed for paid maternity, this also true ones. So here's answer will be B. I and II are correct about Maternity Benefits Act 1961. Question number 4, a pregnant woman employees is entitled to get paid maternity leave for 12 weeks. Here answer will be 12 weeks or 84 days. A pregnant woman employees is entitled to get paid maternity leave for 84 days or 12 weeks. For question number 4, we have the answer key C. C is the correct one here. Question number 5, when was Sexual Harassment of Women Employees at the Workplace Act was passed? The Sexual Harassment of Women Employees at Workplace Act was passed in 2013. 2013. Here's right answer is D. D is the correct one here. Sexual Harassment of Women Employees Act at Workplace passed in 2013. Question number 6, when was SEBI constituted? Security Exchange Bank of India was constituted on in April 1988, and it became an autonomous body in July 1992. When was SEBI constituted? It was constituted in April 1988. For question number 6, we have the answer key A. A is the correct one here. Question number 7, who chair Niti Aayog Governing Council meeting? Prime Minister chairs Niti Aayog Governing Council meeting. For question number 7, we have the answer key B. B is the right one here. Question number 8, the Finance Commissions of India is established as per the article of the Indian Constitution. The Finance Commissions of the India is established as per Article 280 of the Indian Constitution. For question number 8, we have the answer key C. Question number 9, which of the following is responsible for the fluctuation in Sensex? For the fluctuation in Sensex, rainfall, monetary policy, political instability, all of these factors are responsible. For question number 9, we have the answer key D. All of the above are responsible for fluctuation in Sensex. Question number 9, question number 10, which among the following is the basis for law of demand? The basis of law of demand is diminishing marginal utility. Here answer is A. For question number 10, we get the answer key A. Question number 11, who among the following was the first European to come to India? Portuguese were the first European to come to India. For question number 11, we have the answer key A. A is the correct one here. Question number 12, the English East India Company was formed by a group of merchants known as Dash in 1680. The Merchant of Adventurers, a group of merchants of England, formed East India Company in 1680. For question number 12, we have the answer key A. The English East India Company was formed by a group of merchants known as the Merchants of Adventurers. Question number 13, accounting furnishes data on income and cost of manager, financial conditions of the institution, company's tax liabilities for a particular years. All of the above are correct here. Copyrights, patents and trademarks are intangible assets. For question number 14, we have the answer key C. C is the correct one here. Question number 15, net profit is computed in the profit and loss account. For question number 15, we have the answer key A. Question number 16, if a trial balance totals do not agree, the difference must be entered in the suspense account. If a trial balance totals do not agree, the difference must be entered in suspense account. For question number 16, we get the answer key D. Question number 17, what do you mean by mixed economy? Mixed economy, here the coexistence of public and private sectors. We can find in a mixed economy the coexistence of public and private sectors. For question number 17, we get the answer key B. Question number 18, which among the following is an example of an agricultural price support program? Price ceiling is not, equilibrium price is not. So here's answer is price floor. Price floor is an example of an agricultural price support program. Question number 19, theory of natural selection was proposed by. Theory of natural selection was proposed by Charles Darwin. For question number 19, we get the answer key B. B is the correct one here. Question number 20, which among the following group represent the most commonly found cancers in the world? The commonly found cancer in the world is carcinoma. For question number 20, we get the answer key A. A is the correct one here. Please subscribe to our channels, like our video, comment on the comment sections. Thank you for watching this video.